Come on. Come on. Come on.
To the youth, this is the time that you need to rally behind your fellow youth. For I understand your problems, I understand your challenges. Together I believe we can.
Sichaba sasa nangaluye nilubote. Sichaba sasa nangaluye nilubote.